Can a NAS operating system run inside itself? We're going to use GEAK VM to create a virtual machine inside GEAK OS, and then install another GEAK OS instance inside that virtual machine. This isn't just a fun experiment. It's also a good way to see how easy it is to create a virtual environment in GEAK OS, and how GEAK OS performs with limited virtual resources. Let's get started. Before creating our virtual machine, there are a few things we need to prepare. First, make sure CPU virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Once you've enabled virtualization, download and open GEAK VM from the GEAK NAS App Center. On your first launch, the Setup Wizard will guide you through the initial configuration. The first step is choosing where your virtual machine data will be stored. VM images and related files will be stored in this location. After selecting the storage path, click One-Click Initialization. The GEAK VM will then prepare the environment automatically. After initialization, let's configure the network. For this test, we want the virtual machine to access the internet and communicate with other devices on the same local network. So we'll create a bridge network. With bridge mode, the virtual machine can connect to the physical network interface and work like another independent device on the network. Next, we need an operating system image. GEAK VM supports uploading your own ISO files. It also provides download options for some commonly used operating systems, making it easier to prepare an installation environment. For this test, we'll upload the GEAK OS installation image. Once the image is ready, we can use it to create our virtual machine. Now, let's create the virtual machine. Edit the VM name to your liking. Click Create and select the GEAK OS image we just uploaded. After selecting the image, GEAK VM automatically detects the system type and provides recommended hardware settings. Next, let's allocate CPU, memory, and storage for this VM. For this test, we'll use a basic configuration to CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, and 50 GB of storage. Then switch the network settings to the bridge network we created earlier. Once everything is ready, click Create Virtual Machine. Now, let's open the console. And here it is, the familiar GEAK OS installation interface. The installation process is exactly the same as installing GEAK OS on physical hardware. Select the system disk. Configure your partitions. Review the settings to confirm they're correct. Then proceed with the installation and wait for it to complete. The installation is complete. Let's restart the virtual machine and see what happens. And there it is. GEAK OS is now running successfully inside a virtual machine created by GEAK OS. Now, let's connect to it from another device. The virtual GEAK OS is detected successfully. Now, just follow the prompts to bind your admin account. And we ray in. Next, open Settings and take a look at the hardware info. The CPU, memory, and storage all match our configuration. And the system is running normally. Absolutely. As you've seen, creating a virtual machine is actually pretty straightforward. In just a few steps, we created a VM, installed GEAK OS, and got the system up and running. More importantly, this experiment shows the possibilities virtualization can bring to your NAS. You can use it to test another operating system or build an isolated environment. You can also experiment with new setups without affecting your main system. Now, it's your turn. What would you run inside a virtual machine on your NAS? Let us know in the comments. GEAK OS, your personal AI NAS.